Hi bestie, welcome to my kitchen. If you want to see it on my table, you better mind the damn manners. It's a saying from the Housewives. Sutton says it in the new season, and she mentions a thing called Mississippi pie in the beginning, and I was like, what is this? And she described it as this big chocolate rich thing that is so good. And I was like, I need to try it. There's not a lot of recipes of it on the internet. There's like 3. And I'm like, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Because when am I ever gonna go to Mississippi? Never. But when I tell you, it looked beautiful. Beautiful. No, I'm not really good at baking things. I'm good at cooking, but I'm not good at baking. I used to be good at baking. But anyways, I should probably tie up my hair. Also, I have a lot of things to do. And I know I said I was going to do the interview, but right now I can't be bothered, and I'm going to do it tomorrow. Also, my skin is breaking out so bad. Someone gave me nazar. So sad. For the base, I'm going to be using this whole pack of bourbon creams. Nobody was supposed to eat this. I got this yesterday, and my mom was like, is anyone gonna eat it? And I'm like, these are actually really good. They were like 50p as well. 50p. Yeah, and I'm gonna mix that, crush it, mix that up with butter, and then it will be the base. I really hope this is gonna be enough. So tired. I really hope this doesn't take a long time because I am not into doing a long time for this. Criticizing my life. Honestly, I hate how long it takes me to bake. I hate it. I'm just doing the base right now and it's already almost 7. And all I've done is the bloody base. You know, romanticize your life. Hi. Whenever I cook, I watch, I don't know if I mentioned Gilmore Girls, and I listen to Taylor Swift because I feel like those 2 things just like summarize, like, you know, baking. Like, I feel like baking is like Taylor Swift and like Taylor Swift songs, and just like, you know, watching Gilmore Girls, I feel like because they bring a sense of like comfort. So to a brownie there. I look like a fucking monster. I look like a depressed housewife. It's a vibe. The recipe asked for 16 spoons of butter. What the fuck is 16 spoons of butter? What does that mean? Like, bitch. Look at how sexy that is.
I'm sorry. It's okay. It's not too much for a simple, can I borrow it, Mom, is it? No, it's not.
So beautiful.
Jeez, lighten up.
Messed it up. And then I had to throw it away. And then I had to start again. And then I asked my dad to go get plain flour for me. Cute. Fucking hate baking. Tell me why I got the recipe wrong, because I was reading it from this section, the pudding layer, and then I added 2 cups of like milk into my brownie layer, and then it was like, this doesn't seem right. So then I had to throw it out. And then I just start again, like, what the fuck? And then when I was like, doing my eggs, look, my smiley face pajamas are ruined. But here's the pudding. My dad is coming with the all-purpose flour, plain flour, for one stop. Who's there? Hopefully it's not someone from my high school, cause fuck them. Are quirky to make food. I've been here for 2 hours and I hate it. I hate it here. I hate it. 2 hours. 2 hours since I've been here. and I'm halfway through. You know what that means? That means I'm gonna be here for 4 fucking hours. I don't like it. I don't like this. I'm never gonna make the Mississippi mud pie ever again. I don't care how tasty it is. I can't do this anymore in my life. I think you reach a phase in your life where you're like, if I continue this, I will be dead. My back hurts. No wonder the housewives in 1960s were so unhappy. I mean, they were probably getting abused and in toxic relationships, but this fucking pie that the useless fucking husbands were requesting was a menace. And I can't do it anymore. I can't do it. Imagine if it turns out disgusting and I spent 4 hours of my fucking life with this fucking thing. I think it's done now. There she is. So annoying. I hate it here. The brownie layer is still not done. Fucking hate it here. Really pops. So now we're gonna go on to make the pudding layer. It'll be so fun. It's finally done. This doesn't taste good. I will literally jump off the Empire State Building. I cried again for like 5-10 minutes because this cake tin is broken. I used one of these drilling machines. Look at that one. No, that thing. That machine. To try to open it up because this is so musty, dusty, and rusty. And then my sister was like, let's use this cake thing to take it out. Dumb bitch behavior. That's obviously not gonna work. And then got really frustrated that I just started throwing it. And then I realized it was jumping up like the actual cake. Then I was like, oh wait, I can use the actual, like I can flip it over. So that's what I did. I flipped it over. I hate it here. My pocketbook. Oh, good. But I don't think I'll ever do it again. Hashtag never make it again. Hashtag I hate it here. Hashtag I'm glad it's done. Look about it.
I haven't eaten it. What's
How
wrong
does it
with you?
look? How does it look?
It's good. Oh god, that was so weird of you.
Why is it weird of me? I spent 2 days on this.
I haven't even eaten it. How can you ask me how is it?
Why are you so mean to me?
इतनी क्विक करता
Wow.
बस हो गया